Hello, I am Jyotirvid Pawan Kumar. Today I would like to talk about meditation, how to meditate. I won't cover this whole subject in just one video. I will cover it up in 2 or 3 videos. In this first video, you can label this video as preparation for meditation. Let's talk about general things and some prerequisites for doing meditation in the right way. The very first requisite is that for doing meditation, you should be calm in your mind. If your mind is upset, if you're upset or agitated in your mind due to certain reason, then don't sit for meditation. You won't be able to meditate. So first of all, in such a situation, the best thing is to sit somewhere, take a couple of deep breaths, and without holding a breath, exhale over a longer period of time. If you do such deep breathing for say even 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you will feel calm in your mind. So your mind should be at rest. Next requirement is that your stomach should not be too full. You cannot meditate properly soon after taking a meal. You may fall asleep. So at least 2 to 3 hours after taking a meal, you will be in a position to meditate. The next requirement is you should be able to sit without doing anything, without moving, in a comfortable posture for at least 10 to 15 minutes. You cannot do any fruitful meditation in less than say 10 to 15 minutes. So to start with, at least 10 to 15 minutes is the time you must be able to sit in a comfortable posture without doing anything, without moving. For majority of people these days, this may seem very difficult to sit without doing anything for 10 to 15 minutes, but you need to practice this. You must sit in a comfortable posture. That is another requirement. If you are sitting in a posture where some part of your body is under strain, under stress, then you won't be able to go deep in meditation. So you must be fully comfortable and relaxed. You can sit in any posture, but important thing is that your torso, upper part of your body, must be held upright without tension. There should not be any tension, but you should be at ease and keep the upper part of your body upright. So practice doing this. You can even sit on a chair with your legs hanging down and feet resting on a rug placed on the floor, but sit in any posture. The main thing is you must be fully relaxed and comfortable. You can do meditation at any time if you fulfill all these uh, prerequisites. So before I tell you in my next video how to proceed further, you must practice sitting in a comfortable posture for 10 to 15 minutes and with relaxed and calm mind. This is the first main requirement. Okay, wait for my next video when we will proceed further and tell you how to meditate.